So to every photographer out there, I know when you start, a lot of you, when you start shooting, you feel like your pictures have to be popping, the colors has to be very, very bright and the rest for the picture to be good. This particular video, I want to tell you that is not how to rate a good picture. Let me use Tosin for example. If you go to Tosin's timeline, you will find out that almost all his pictures are on that brown, yes, that warm brown look filter. That is how Tosin likes shooting his pictures, and he likes melanin kind of pictures. But that doesn't mean because his pictures are not looking like my own or some other photographer you like, that doesn't mean he's not producing professional pictures. In fact, in art, those are like the best set of pictures in art. When you're using one line of colors all through, those pictures come out very well and they sell very well. Same thing goes to Emmanuel Ayeleke. When you check his work might not be looking like your regular kind of work, but that doesn't mean the work is bad. Amazing Clef is creating a color popping kind of picture. Yes, you like Amazing Clef, now you start looking at other persons and saying other persons are not creating good job. No, every other person is doing great jobs also. It's just that they are not giving you your regular color. There are a lot of colors. See, what you have to understand first is photography, every picture that you take is supposed to tell a story. So it's not about the plenty color, the so much red and the rest. So today, because the photographer did not do that popping color work, you just don't like the photographer's work. So you have to now start judging the photographer. As you are coming up, the best thing you're supposed to do is to pick one of these photographers and follow their style and say, okay, let me go with this person's style. Let me be shooting like this person. But that is not enough reason why you say other persons are not doing well. In fact, to me, I will tell you, even the persons that are using phone to do photography, I love some of their pictures more than the kind of pictures that I'm saying, because some of these colors that are not bright, they are dull. They tell a better story than these pop colors that we are using sometimes. So do yourself a favor. Stop hating on other photographers because they are not creating your kind of job. Peace.